Let's say hello to the newest addition to my family. This is Gracie. Gracie, say hi. Hi. You're so beautiful. We rescued Gracie. She wasn't doing too well when she was a little one. She had half of her hair. But now she's all fuzzy. Yes, you're so pretty. I'm glad you have hair now. Speaking of hair, I'm about to show you guys some nice hair. So if you're ready to see a gorgeous wig or topper, then stick around.
I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it.
Hi guys, my name is Joanne, and today I am doing a review on a Uniwigs human hair silk top topper. So Uniwigs contacted me and they asked me if I would do a review for a human hair wig, and of course I'm like, absolutely, because I've had really good luck with their products. Once I figured out how to how to slay them, basically how to make them work for me. And so I got this one in the mail and I'm really excited about it. It's so pretty and so soft and so slinky. I love this topper. The inside base of the topper is like a really soft mesh. It's very, very soft, and it doesn't make any like rustling noise. There's no rustling noise. I thought when I first pulled it out of the package, I thought that it was gonna make like a crinkly rustling noise, or like when I moved my head, I was gonna hear it, or somebody else was gonna hear it, but that's just not the case. So I'm gonna put it up to the microphone, and you can't barely, and that's like me scratching my nails across it, but it's actually really soft. And this is not a lace front. It has just this little silicone front here, and then it has a clip right here, but you can remove this clip if you want to. So this comes as I've unaltered it. I haven't done anything to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. So one in the front, one in the back, and 2 on each side. It is let's see, the density is, I would say it's a medium density. These under hairs here are nice and long, and they're very, very soft. So they're not gonna like tickle your hair and like rub into your scalp and make your scalp itch. And the actual scalp look is very realistic. It's a little see-through, as you can see me running my thumb up and down where this part is. It's see-through, which is a good thing, and you can part it anywhere you want, and it looks like a scalp. By the way, it did come in a nice box. It's a good quality box to be able to put your topper in, and it came with some extra little clips, and these have a little silicone what do you call that, like a buffer, so that your hair doesn't get caught in it. A little silicone strip on top, and a little instruction book. And this instruction book is gold. It has so many answered questions. I love it. So let me go ahead and put this on for you. I've got my hair up in my typical, I don't know what you would call this, a mom bun, for what somebody with such little amount of hair could have. I don't have any extra bonus hair in this today. I had a hair thing. I don't know what happened to it. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Got it. Okay. So this is my natural hair. I was planning on dyeing my hair before I did this video review, and that is why I ordered it a lighter color, and my hair is obviously a lot darker. But I was planning on dyeing my hair, and I got very, very busy this summer and now coming into this fall, and I haven't dyed it yet. But this is my natural hair color, pretty much all the way to about here, I think. That's my natural hair color. So this right here is the reason why I wear toppers and wigs. Okay, so that's why I need them in the first place. And then I'm also very, very thin. Starting to get thin on the sides as well. So let's just pretend like this hair is the same color as this hair. But actually, I'm kind of glad that I haven't dyed my hair to be able to show you guys what this looks like with someone who has a little bit of a darker hair. And I do plan on lightening my hair, and also I probably will darken these roots just a little bit, because that's just the way I prefer it to be. But I have zero product in my hair. I have zero fibers in my hair. If you know my channel, you know that I like to use the hair fibers. So when I put this on, I go like this, and then I push it back, and it's like a perfect circle on my head.
Mom.
Yes, Aaron?
Mom, I need you to turn off the other foot.
You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be up there in a few more minutes, okay? Can you just play with your toys?
No.
No, you can't play with your toys right now? There we go. Yeah, so I would definitely need to pull, here, let me make this a little brighter. I would definitely need to pull some of my own hair out, I think. I could probably get away with pulling this more, but I'm starting to see this line right here. But I can wear it like this, or I could make a part. Now, if you're gonna do a part in the topper like this, you're gonna wanna get it wet and style it that way, because it is not gonna stay right, like out of the package, it's not gonna stay. Like this, you would have to style it. And because this is a human hair wig, you can put heat on it. And it is shorter than my hair. As you can see, my hair's darker. Let me go ahead and just do it in the middle like this. It's very comfortable. I haven't even done these back ones yet. So you just dig in like that, snap, snap. Sometimes I don't even do these back ones. I just only do the sides, because it feels like the back of my head, like right here, is kind of sensitive. This is completely out of the box, unaltered. Look at the highlights on this. It's gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. Let me back up a little so you can see it from far away. What do you think of me as a blonde? That's the beauty of having these toppers. I love how fun they are. Let me turn around for you. I love this. This is absolutely gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. I love it. What do you think? Do you like this? Do you think this would be something that you would like to add to your collection? Or if you're a first time topper or wig wearer or bonus hair wearer, do you think this would be something that you would like? I highly recommend this piece. I would say if you've never had a topper before, I would say go ahead and get one that's human hair and silk top. Now, if you want to go ahead and experiment with a little $20, synthetic piece from, like from a wig shop or something, it's not going to give you the same effect as an actual quality piece. That is my opinion. Somebody else's opinion might tell you something different, but I love a silk top because it's lightweight, it's not scratchy, it allows your scalp to breathe. Let's see, you can dye the hair and it's not gonna dye the silk top. Now, I don't know if that's the case for all toppers, but I'm pretty sure that when you get a silk top that you can dye the roots and it's not gonna dye the scalp part, like it won't penetrate through. And if it does, you should be able to wash that out with some hot water. So definitely something to think about. You can see the little wave in here where it was in the package, these shipped from China, but I can apply heat to this without a problem. This is by far the best topper that I have received from Uniwigs. I absolutely love this. I love it. And let me just show you, I do have my Hope topper. This is a synthetic topper here that I just wanted to show you guys. I have done a review on this one before. And I want you to see the difference between these. These are both from Uniwigs. It's just that this is a synthetic with a mono top and wefting, and this is the silk top. I just wanted to kind of get a little close up here for you guys to see just how gorgeous this piece is. Okay, so this is the synthetic Hope topper, and it is a wreck. I need to brush it. I wear this one a lot, but you just use a wide tooth comb. But this is the synthetic topper that I wear quite often, and I like it. It's very, very lightweight. I love how lightweight this one is. I do have a trickiness with a lace front. And this one doesn't have a lace front, so I don't have to worry about that. Some people prefer a lace front and some people don't. I personally don't really like the lace front that much, but it's a personal preference. But if I had to suggest if you are just wanting to get one wig, this is the one that you get. I would get one that doesn't have the lace front, but that's just me. I'm gonna go ahead and pull a few of my hairs. I wanna get really, really close. I want you guys to see this really close. All right, so I'm gonna pull some of my hairs forward. Now I know that this clip is on here, so let me take that, there we go. Take that out. And very gently pull some of my hairs out. Oh, they're attached to this, okay. There we go. Pull some of that out, just a little. There. See, it just looks a little more natural if you put your own hair in there. And considering how dark my natural hair is with this, I mean, gosh, you guys, this looks really, really good, right? So, this is... I mean, imagine what it will look like once I dye my roots. So if you are ever like saying that you couldn't find the perfect match for your hair, you can always get just whatever they have and then dye it, or dye your hair to match it. And you can always take it to a salon and have them match your topper. Have them use a semi-permanent first. And then if you love it, then they can go back and use a permanent. But a semi-permanent is less damaging to your topper. But we can talk about that in another video. Anyway, style number is PS1801, and I will leave the information in the description box along with the link down below.
Mom, I'm waiting for you to come up here.
I will, baby, I promise. I will come up, okay? I'm just doing this video first, okay? Do you want to be in the video? Do you want to say hi?
No.
Okay, fine, bye. I did want to show you guys a quick updo. Let's just say that you wanted to do an updo. You could just twist this like that, pin it right here, and then do the same thing on the other side. And you could go all the way back if you wanted to. You can also pull it up in a ponytail. Yeah, it's adorable. I love it. I can't stop running my fingers through it. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I'm very impressed, Uniwigs. I am very impressed with this topper. Love it. Love it, you guys. I love it. Well, that's the end of my review. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope that you learned a few things. If you have any questions, you can leave me a comment down below, and also I have an Instagram page, so you can DM me on Instagram if you'd like to, and I leave stories pretty much almost daily. I love doing stories on Instagram. If you want to follow along with me, I am going through a fun little journey where my body does not produce hormones, and that means that I am 42 years old and postmenopausal. That's right, I am postmenopausal. So, and honestly, I don't know if that has any connection to my hair loss because I have genetic alopecia. But feel free to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and we can connect there and have a good time and hang out and be friends and learn from each other and grow with each other. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. I'm going to be doing some more hair related videos, even though that is not my life, but that is what YouTube likes for me to post. So I will be doing more hair related videos, and so look forward to seeing those. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.